Filmmaking note from my boyfriend. You know, there are a lot of pitfalls for filmmakers using technology in a filmmaky way. I'm using a virtual VR setup to record from different camera positions in Unreal. Here's the thing. I want to be able to record my camera setups in a clean and simple workflow. No fancy blueprints. I just want simple tracks to move around like a film editor. Unreal definitely can do this. However, Unreal was created for video game developers, so there are a lot of potential pitfalls that can trap non-developer filmmakers. Let's take the Unreal Take Recorder, for example. It's wonderful. It's great at recording camera movement in a sterile environment, but I have a virtual production environment with live action green screen and fully animated CG characters and movable background sets. I need these to run at recording time so that I know where to move my action camera and follow the actors. Fine. I need to run these animations in the sequencer. Take Recorder is able to output camera recordings directly into my animated sequencer. Yeah, but remember, I want my workflow to be clean and simple. You know, focusing on the art. When we tell Take Recorder to record our camera into an existing sequence, you end up with tracks with embedded takes inside of the tracks, which means every time we want to switch between takes, we have to use a right-click combo to select the take without actually being able to see the rack of takes visually. Oh, and the Take Recorder creates multiple proxy cameras for each take, which normally wouldn't be a problem since my clean and simple method more or less creates multiple proxy cameras too. But Unreal names each new proxy camera the exact same thing. Yeah, you have to actually guess and view between proxy camera and proxy camera and proxy camera to see which camera is the taking recording you want. Here's my final result. Notice my method has different names for the proxy shots. Also notice my proxy cameras are on separate tracks that are visible and intuitive for filmmakers like me. Did you notice? I don't seem to be using a take recorder. Yep. I'm building a tutorial that shows you how to create clean recording tracks of VR cameras in a virtual production without clicking back and forth between the Take Recorder and the sequencer. Did I mention pitfalls? For this simple setup, you should be using version 5.1 instead of 5.2 if you're using a Steam VR input. Although I can get around some of the problems with the 5.2's Pixel Stream interface, it's not worth the hassle to move from 5.1 until the underlying fix for Pixel Streaming is released in version 5.3. See Epic's note about Pixel Streaming in version 5.2. My next tutorial will take an inexpensive Oculus controller and the amazing Unreal Sequencer to build movie camera setups for footage of virtual environments as if you are filming live on set. Blah blah, subscribe, blah, get notified when it's uploaded. And please don't smash like. Just press it like a normal person.